Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this Gmail tutorial we're gonna learn how you can find your archived emails in Gmail in 2020. Okay, so to do this we're just gonna archive an email. So let's say I want to archive this one. Just right click and click on archive. And now we can see this email is gone from my inbox. So to find this archived email, we need to go to the left sidebar and click on More, like so. Go down and we will find archived emails right here under All Mails. Click on that. And if you zoom out, we see that we have this email without this label. You can see that all the other ones has the label inbox. That means they are not archived, and we see this one, the one we just archived. If we right click on this one, click on Move to Inbox, we now have the label inbox, and now we can go to inbox and we have the archived email back to the inbox. Okay everyone, so this is how you can find your archived emails in Gmail in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give thumbs up, you can leave a comment below, and also subscribe right here. Check out my latest video right here. I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.